you have been recently learning. Okay? So, remember, you're still learning this. You are doing your personal best on Kahoot. I want you all to try. It is not about going the fastest. It is about actually getting the right answer. You get more points if you get the right answer than if you just click fast. Okay? So, personal best. As soon as Rochelle behind me gets logged in, we will get started. Okay? Can we please stop typing in the chat now? I don't even know what we're typing, so please stop. You're doing your personal best. I'm hoping that we get right answers on this. Evan, I don't know what you're doing, but I don't like it. All right, we're getting started. Do your personal best, please. Area and perimeter for 5th grade. That's you guys. True or false? Area and perimeter are the same thing. False or true? Area and perimeter are the same thing. The correct answer is false. Most of us got that right. Perimeter is the length around. Area is all the area in the middle, too. Area and perimeter are not the same thing. Good job if you got that correct. Cadence, you're in the lead. Next problem. What is the area of this box? 4 centimeters, 8 centimeters. You are finding area. Jameson, people are trying to do this, bud. We're not giving away hints. I want to see what you guys know. What is the area of the box? The correct answer is 32 inches because area is length times width. So you just have, they gave you two numbers. 4 times 8 is 32. You should have put 32. Cadence is still in the lead, then Michaela and Jameson. We're moving on. Question 3. What is the perimeter of this shape? Perimeter of this shape.
No.
Landon, there's no reason to unmute ourselves. Ooh, look at all you guys that were just, clicking. Perimeter is when you add up all the sides. Adding 5 plus 5 is only 2 of the sides. You needed 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5, which is 20. And then it was inches. In the corner, it said that it was inches, not centimeters. So some of you guys picked centimeters. Not correct. Definitely wasn't 10. You have to add all the sides. A perimeter is not 2 sides. It is all 4 sides. So you should have put 20 inches. 6 of you got it right. Go you. Please stop typing in the chat, guys. Rochelle is in the lead. Snap, we have a new leader. How would you find the area of this shape? You already did this problem, and I kind of already explained it. But in words, how would you find the area of this shape? In words. If someone said, how do I do this? How would you tell them to do it? In words. Correct. Almost everyone got that right. You multiply 4 times 8 because area is length times width. You had 2 numbers, 4 and 8. You multiply them. Almost all of us got that right. Good job. Rochelle's in the lead. 5 of 8. What is the area of this shape? What is the area of this shape? The correct answer is 6 inches. Almost all of us got that right. Area is length times width. Length times width. 2 times 3 is 6 inches. What is the perimeter of this shape? What is the perimeter? Landon, what's the issue? Why are you talking to Angelina? What, did that need to be done right now? No, it didn't. Perimeter. Perimeter, you add up all the sides. 2 plus 3 is 5 plus 2 plus 3 is 5. The answer is 10. If you did 6, you multiplied for area. Perimeter is when you add up all the sides. You should have gotten 10 inches. Seven. True or false? The area is just all the sides added up. Correct. It is false. How are we getting that wrong? Perimeter is when you add up all the sides. Area is when you multiply the one side and the other side. Length times width. Friends, I don't know how we're getting that wrong. Our final question. Rochelle, Mia, and Cadence are in the lead. What is the correct formula for this box? There may be more than one. What is the correct formula for this box?
What does it mean? There may be more than one.
Well, 2 of those would give you an answer for either for a perimeter. One of them would not. One of them would not give you an answer for perimeter. 2 of them would. Correct. 8 times 8 is 64 plus 5 times 5 is 24. That's over 100, which would give us nothing. 8 plus 8 plus 5 plus 5, that would be the perimeter of the outside. Or if you added 8 plus 8, which is 16, plus 5 plus 5, which is 10, that would also give you the perimeter. So either the blue or the yellow would have worked. The red would have given you a number that had nothing to do with area or perimeter. Let's see who our winners are. Hold on, Jameson. Cadence, good job. Hi, Lillian. Mia, good job. And Rochelle, good job. All right, you 3, I owe you a mint. Remind me later. I owe you a mint. You 3, Mia, Rochelle, and Cadence. Let me see if I can find another one that we can get done within this amount of time. But it has to be kind of another short one. So let me see what I can find. That one looks a little bit hard. I don't know what GG means, so can we please stop typing it?
It means good game.
Oh, okay. What? No, it just I'm not turning it off. Just don't look at it. Friends, we really don't need to be typing in the chat. I'm trying to find another one that's kind of simple like the last one we just played. but I feel like these ones are harder. All right, I found one. We're going to give it a try. I have to share my screen though, so give me a second. Please log in, obviously, as fast as possible. Let's go, friends. That way we have time to finish. Michaela, do you have a question? Lillian, you can join. Are you in Missy Civics? Okay, then join. Log on to hers. Michaela, do you have a question, or is your hand just up for fun? What's frozen? Okay. All right, I'm literally watching her move, Elijah, so. All right, we're gonna get started. I think we should all be on. Last round we had 23, but now there's only 22. Was anyone missing? Evan. Yeah, put that pen down. Stop flashing it in the screen. All right, I'm getting started. Okay, there's Michaela. Perimeter, area, and volume. 3, 2, 1. What is the area of the shaded section? So right here. Oh, this one's tricky. The area of the shaded section. So you need to think, how long is this side? How long is this side? If you're confused, the whole side is 20, the entire thing, and this part's 10, which makes this other side 10. The whole line over here is 14, and this part is 6, which makes this part 8. So we're going to have 10 right here and 8 right here.
You just told us.
Landon, put your computer on your desk and scoot in. Like I said before, you have 10 right here and 8 over here. That is a little bit confusing, but that's okay. That's why I explained it to you, Jameson. You just gotta use some critical thinking skills. If the whole thing is 20 and this part is 10, 20 minus 10 is 10 left. So that makes this part 20. If the whole thing is 14 and this part is 6, 14 minus 6 is 8. So 8 is all that's left right here, which means we have 10 times 8. The correct answer is 80 square feet. 10 times 8 is 80. Good job if you got that right. Find the volume of the rectangular prism. This is what you guys had did yesterday. I'm pretty sure. correct answer is 168 centimeters cubed. Lots of you guys put squared, not cubed. Volume is cubed. Next one. What is the perimeter of the polygon? And you're like, oh my gosh, perimeter. All you do is add up the sides. So there's 4 sides. It's a silly shape, but add them up. You guys all know how to add. Perimeters, adding up the sides. You can do that. Add up the sides. All of you guys are capable of adding. You have 100 seconds. That's over a minute to add 4 numbers. I believe, I believe, I believe, I believe in you. Perimeter, all you do is add them up. We have worked on adding decimals plenty this year. It should not be that hard. Okay, Landon, then you don't need to be typing in the chat. Just say it's hard, then say it's easy. Just don't type in the chat at all, okay? You have 15 seconds. The correct answer is the perimeter of this polygon is 3 miles. If you add them all up, it is 3 total. 4. Which expression can be used to find the volume of a cereal box in centimeters? So we're finding volume. If you were to make the math problem, how would you create the math problem? This is 8 centimeters. This is 30 centimeters. This is 20. So think about the formula. I'm pretty sure it's length times width times height, right? Is that right? So which one of these would help us get there? The correct answer is the blue one, because you could have done the 20 times 8, which you would have gotten a 160, or 160, then you would have done by times 30. So you should have picked the blue one. Most of you picked that. Good job. Krista's putting a border around 3 equal section garden. How much border does she need? So there's 3 of them. She's putting a border around all of them. How much does she need? She's doing a border. Border means around, okay? Border means around. look at this. We're finding a border for around our nice big garden. All you have to do is add up the sides. So the top side was 42. The bottom side was 42. Together, that equals 84. Then you have 3 sections on each side of 20, which is 60 plus 60. 84 plus 120 equals 204. The correct answer was 204. Perimeter, all you do is add them up. If the perimeter of a rectangle is 42 inches, what is the value of the missing side? Ooh, that's a good question. So perimeter, we're adding them up. So this side is 7, this side is 7. 42 minus 14 is what? And then you need to divide that by 2. You're finding the missing number. Perimeter total is 42. 7 on this side, 7 on this side. 7 plus 7 is 14. 42 minus 14 is a number. And then you need to divide that number by 2 sides to find our missing value. What's our missing number? These are good questions. They make your brain think. What number are we missing? Do your personal best. Remember, in perimeter, you have to add up all the sides. So 7 and 7 is going to be 14. We have 2 of the sides, but we need to know these 2 sides. So we need to subtract what we already know from the total. 42 minus 14 is a number. And then you need to divide that number by the 2 sides. The correct answer is 14 inches because 42 minus 14 is 28. 28 divided by 2 is 14. All right, this is our final question. We're about out of time, so do your personal best. We'll play till we're done, though. A floor is covered with carpet. Which formula is needed to find the amount of carpet needed? That's a good one. If you're covering an entire floor, are you finding perimeter, PL plus 2W? Are you finding volume, length times width times height? Are you finding area, length times width? Or are you finding perimeter for S? By the way, perimeter, this would be for a square room, or a rectangle room. This would be for a square room. You're covering an entire floor. Oh, look, the correct is area, length times width. All right, let's see who I owe mints to now. Landon Rebus, I owe you a mint. Jameson, I owe you a mint. And Mia, I owe you a mint. I will bring you mints later in class. Good job. We're out of time. See you later.
We all got 6 out of 7.
What, Landon?
We all got 6 out of 7.
Yeah, good job. But it's how fast you got the thing. Bye, guys. See you later.
Bye.